商场英语练习会话。
English practice conversation in a mall. English practice conversation in a mall.
我们应该先去哪里？
Where should we go first? Where should we go first?
也许是美食广场。
Maybe the food court? Maybe the food court?
已经饿了吗？
Already hungry? Already hungry?
只是一点点零食。
Just a little snack. Just a little snack.
好吧，什么听起来不错？
Alright, what sounds good? Alright, what sounds good?
来点薯条怎么样？
How about some fries? How about some fries?
太好了，我们找个地方吧。
Perfect, let's find a place. Perfect, let's find a place.
看，那里有一个油炸摊。
Look, there's a fry stand. Look, there's a fry stand.
不错，想分一大块吗？
Nice, wanna split a large? Nice, wanna split a large?
是的，让我们开始吧。
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
你想要什么酱？
What sauce do you want? What sauce do you want?
也许是番茄酱和蛋黄酱。
Ketchup and mayo, maybe? Ketchup and mayo, maybe?
不错的选择。
Good choice. Good choice.
这个商场很大。
This mall is huge. This mall is huge.
我知道，这么多商店。
I know, so many stores. I know, so many stores.
有想去的商店吗？
Any store you want to visit? Any store you want to visit?
也许是小玩意店。
Maybe the gadget shop? Maybe the gadget shop?
是的，让我们检查一下。
Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, let's check it out.
哇，这里有很多很酷的东西。
Wow, so many cool things here. Wow, so many cool things here.
看看那个智能手表。
Look at that smartwatch. Look at that smartwatch.
太棒了，虽然价格昂贵。
It's awesome. Pricey though. It's awesome. Pricey though.
是的，也许下次吧。
Yeah, maybe next time. Yeah, maybe next time.
想看看服装区吗？
Wanna see the clothes section? Wanna see the clothes section?
当然，带路。
Sure, lead the way. Sure, lead the way.
哦，看看这件夹克。
Ooh, look at this jacket. Ooh, look at this jacket.
看起来不错，试穿一下。
Looks nice. Try it on. Looks nice. Try it on.
适合我吗？
Does it suit me? Does it suit me?
绝对是，非常时尚。
Definitely, very stylish. Definitely, very stylish.
你认为我应该得到它吗？
Think I should get it? Think I should get it?
如果你喜欢它，就去吧。
If you like it, go for it. If you like it, go for it.
好的，将其添加到列表中。
Alright, adding it to the list. Alright, adding it to the list.
我们来看看有哪些鞋子。
Let's check out some shoes. Let's check out some shoes.
是的，需要新运动鞋。
Yes, need new sneakers. Yes, need new sneakers.
看，这些很酷。
Look, these ones are cool. Look, these ones are cool.
它们很完美。
They're perfect. They're perfect.
我应该试穿一下吗？
Should I try them on? Should I try them on?
是的，继续吧。
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
它们很合身，也很舒服。
They fit well, comfy too. They fit well, comfy too.
不错，它们看起来很棒。
Nice, they look great. Nice, they look great.
我想我会买它们。
Think I'll buy them. Think I'll buy them.
很棒的选择。
Awesome choice. Awesome choice.
准备好喝杯咖啡休息一下吗？
Ready for a coffee break? Ready for a coffee break?
是的，我们找一家咖啡馆吧。
Yes, let's find a cafe. Yes, let's find a cafe.
那边有一个。
There's one over there. There's one over there.
太好了，我们抢个座位吧。
Great, let's grab a seat. Great, let's grab a seat.
你得到什么？
What are you getting? What are you getting?
可能是拿铁咖啡。你
Probably a latte. You? Probably a latte. You?
我去喝一杯摩卡。
I'll go for a mocha. I'll go for a mocha.
听起来不错。
Sounds good. Sounds good.
这个地方真温馨。
This place is so cozy. This place is so cozy.
是的，喜欢这里的氛围。
Yeah, love the vibe here. Yeah, love the vibe here.
之后想购买更多商品吗？
Want to shop more after this? Want to shop more after this?
也许有一点。
Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit.
还有其他商店吗？
Any other stores in mind? Any other stores in mind?
也许是书店。
The bookstore, maybe? The bookstore, maybe?
哦，是的，我喜欢书。
Ooh, yes, I love books. Ooh, yes, I love books.
同样，可以在那里待上几个小时。
Same, could spend hours there. Same, could spend hours there.
让我们结束并继续吧。
Let's finish up and head over. Let's finish up and head over.
好吧，准备好了。
Alright, ready when you are. Alright, ready when you are.
这很有趣。
This has been fun. This has been fun.
是的，完美的商场日。
Yeah, perfect mall day. Yeah, perfect mall day.
我们应该更频繁地这样做。
We should do this more often. We should do this more often.
总而言之，我随时准备好。
Totally, I'm up for it anytime. Totally, I'm up for it anytime.